Good evening, my name is Willian Camargo. My alter ego is Papai. I have been in a cruise ship for over 8 years as Papai. I had worn Navy uniform for over a year in the Navy school in Panama. Achievements: I have visited 40 countries in the last 10 years. I have enrolled on the Navy school and been one of the best students. I have crossed the Atlantic Ocean twice. Trips: I have traveled to Dominican Republic for my 30th birthday. I have been in Russia for 2 amazing nights. Memorable experience: I had met amazing people from different countries in the 7 seas. I have brought my family on one of the vessels. Things I haven't done: I haven't lifted 300 pounds on a deadlift ever. That would be impossible for me. And lastly, things I might do in the future: I might travel to New Zealand to watch a game of the All Blacks rugby team. This has been my presentation. Thanks for watching.